Are body scrubs really the secret to having radiant, smooth, healthy skin? Let's explore the luxurious, nourishing world of natural body scrubs and unlock the answer. Body scrubs have been a skincare staple for centuries, known for their ability to rejuvenate and refresh the skin. Today, we're delving into the art of making 3 nourishing, all-natural body scrubs. Each one is a treat for your skin, promising a radiant glow. They're easy to make, packed with natural ingredients, and offer a spa-like experience in the comfort of your home. Before we jump into our recipes, here are some pro tips for using natural body scrubs. To get the most out of your body scrub, apply it to damp skin. Start with gentle circular motions, focusing on rough areas like elbows, knees, and heels. Avoid scrubbing too hard as the natural ingredients do the exfoliating work. While body scrubs are wonderful for skin health, overuse can lead to irritation. For most skin types, using a scrub once a week is sufficient. If you have sensitive skin, consider a softer scrub and use it less frequently. After scrubbing, rinse off thoroughly and apply a moisturizer to seal in the benefits. And now, it's time to learn how to make this powerful natural body scrubs. First on our list is the delightful rose body scrub. To prepare this aromatic scrub, you'll need 2 cups of sugar, a cup of fresh rosé petals, 10 drops of rose oil, and half a cup of coconut oil. Begin by blending the rose petals until they form a paste. Then, add the sugar and blend again. Next, pour in the coconut oil and blend until the mixture is well combined. Finally, add the rose oil and give it one last blend. This scrub is not just a treat for your senses, but for your skin as well. The sugar helps exfoliate dead skin cells, while the rose oil is known for its healing properties, helping to soothe and hydrate the skin. The coconut oil, on the other hand, is a great moisturizer, leaving your skin feeling soft and supple. Next up, we have the invigorating coffee body scrub. This delightful concoction is as simple as it is effective, requiring only 3 staple ingredients: coffee grounds, sugar, and olive oil. Let's start by grabbing a cup of fresh coffee grounds, the star of our scrub. Not only does coffee smell divine, it also carries multiple benefits for your skin. It's packed with antioxidants, which fight skin aging, and it's known to reduce inflammation and improve blood circulation. Next, add half a cup of sugar into the mix. Sugar acts as a natural exfoliant, gently removing dead skin cells and leaving your skin feeling smooth and refreshed. Finally, pour in a 1/4 cup of olive oil. This will bind our ingredients together and provide a moisturizing base for our scrub. To prepare the scrub, simply mix these ingredients together until you have a coarse and grainy paste. Apply this to your skin, rub gently, then rinse off. Your skin will thank you for the coffee scrub's rejuvenating effects. Lastly, we bring you the refreshing citrus salt scrub. This invigorating scrub is a true delight for the senses and the skin. To make this scrub, start with a cup of sea salt. Sea salt is a natural exfoliator that removes dead skin cells, leaving your skin smooth and fresh. Next, we need the zest of 1 orange. The zest not only adds an uplifting scent, but also contains potent antioxidants that can help fight skin damage and inflammation. Now, add 10 drops of orange essential oil. This oil is known for its ability to brighten the skin and boost mood with its vibrant scent. Finally, mix in half a cup of almond oil. This oil nourishes the skin, providing deep hydration and restoring its natural glow. Blend all the ingredients together until they form a grainy paste. The citrus salt scrub is not only refreshing, but also works wonders in brightening and tightening your skin. This citrus salt scrub is your ticket to brighter, tighter skin. Natural body scrubs offer remarkable benefits. They gently remove dead skin cells, boost circulation, and promote skin regeneration, leaving your skin glowing and soft. Plus, by choosing natural ingredients, you're giving your skin the pure nourishment it deserves. And there is more. Beyond the physical benefits, using a body scrub is a sensory experience that can be incredibly relaxing and therapeutic. The act of massaging a scrub into your skin is a form of self-care that can help reduce stress and promote a sense of well-being. In essence, body scrubs are a simple yet profound addition to any skincare routine. They offer a holistic approach to skin health that combines physical exfoliation with therapeutic benefits, making them a must-try for anyone seeking radiant, healthy skin and a moment of indulgence in their daily life. If you loved these luxurious natural recipes, check out this video for more natural skincare magic. Thank you for watching.